Hello guys, Kevin will be explaining on the new topic today, which is supply and demand. So before we go into the marking and also entry using supply and demand, we have to know the basic information about supply and demand first. So let's Kelvin explain about what is supply and what is demand first. So first, supply is a force that is equal to the seller, seller force, okay? And demand is equal to the buyer force. Whenever the supply is high, the price will come lower, okay? And whenever the demand is high, the price will go higher and higher and higher, okay? This is the basic information of supply and demand. Okay, so this is the demand continuation, which is a type of demand zone. Okay, how can we identify the demand continuation? First, we have to identify a uptrend, which is a rally, and it becoming a base, which is the sideways, and also break out the base, become rally. So this is what we call rally, base rally. Okay, so you must have a uptrend first, and then you're making a sideways. After that, you break out the sideways here, okay? Break out. So this one is rally, base, rally. Okay? In this rally, base rally, you must identify a uptrend, and the second thing, which is the bearish candle. Okay? A bearish candle. Okay, how do you know the rally, base rally is valid or not? The rally base rally is valid whenever the bullish candle close above the high of the bearish candle. So must be close above the high. So this validate the rally base rally. So whenever the price come in, you can buy here. Okay, you can buy here and targeting for the higher high for TP lah. Okay, so when you marking the base, you must marking from low to high or to weak to weak. Okay, just take the whole candlestick for the base. Okay, so we got here an example from gold, which is the yesterday setup. You can see here you got the rally base rally here. Okay, first you got the uptrend, and also you got the bearish candle and another breakout. So when the price come here, you can buy here, and your TP will be somewhere around here lah. Okay, your TP will be somewhere around here. That's all for continuation demand, yeah guys. Okay, after the continuation demand, we got reversal demand also. So what is the difference between these two? If it's a continuation, it must follow the trend, which is the uptrend. We look for the buy at the rally base rally area. Okay, if for the reversal, it must be from a downtrend and suddenly it have a reversal here already. So this place will be a drop base rally here. Drop base rally. And we wait for the price to come down and we buy until the higher high. So this is the difference between reversal and also continuation demand. Okay, for reversal, it must have a drop first, which is a downtrend, downtrend from here, and then it will make a slightly base here. This base is equal to the sideways, After the bullish candle, break out the bearish candle already. Okay, you can see the breakout here, break out the high of bearish candle. This will validate the drop base rally here. And we will wait for the price to come back and entry a buy here. Okay, and target a new higher high lah. So this is the example of USD CAD 30 minutes time frame. You can see clearly here is a downtrend. Okay, here is a downtrend move lah. And then it suddenly will spike up. Okay, you can see or not this candlestick. Okay, this candlestick is a bullish candlestick that already break out the bearish candlestick high. So this drop base rally is already valid. Okay, to mark the drop base rally, we just have to mark the last bearish candle, You have to mark the last bearish candle also. Last bearish candle before bullish. Okay, so we will take this candlestick for our base. Okay, this is where it retraces and we will buy here. Okay, and then how we get is around 50 pips only in MT4 time frame lah. That's all for the demand part. Okay, then we will continue on the supply part. Okay, after the demand we got the supply. So supply for the same thing also got the continuation and also reversal lah. So first Kelvin will explain about the supply continuation first. When we talk about supply, that thing is making the price become lower and lower. So it will become a downtrend, which is a drop. So base will become a sideways, which is a bullish candle for the pullback. Okay, and another drop and another downtrend. Okay, so to marking the base, you just take the bullish candle, which is the last bullish before bearish. Okay, so to marking this candle, you may have to make sure the bearish candle has to break out the bullish candle low first. Okay, to validate our drop, base drop. So this is the example in AUD USD H4. For you see, here is a downtrend. This one is the bullish candle, and this one is another downtrend. Okay, so we can mark in the bullish candle as our drop, base drop, and wait for the pullback. Okay, and wait for the pullback. Early entry, this is how it works for supply continuation and also drop, base drop lah. Okay guys, after the supply continuation, we got supply reversal. Okay, for the same thing, we must have a reversal pattern first. Reversal means it's from the uptrend to the downtrend. So first we have to identify an uptrend first. Okay, here H4 you can see. This is the uptrend. So this is the rally part. Okay, then you got a base. This is a sideways. So this the zone I'm marking is a sideways zone. This is the base. Okay, and then you must have a drop. The drop is here. Okay, the drop must be break out the bullish low. Okay, the bullish low after we break out. So our rally base drop is valid. We just have to wait the price to retest and sell here. Okay. Okay, the price has been touched and sell is running. That's all for supply and demand basic guys. We'll continue on the more advanced part tomorrow. So just stay tuned guys.